What's going on, guys? Welcome back to 956 Flips. Today I'm at Goodwill. It's Friday. Guys, if you didn't check out my video yesterday, please check it out. I'm feeling better after the huge loss I took on that pallet. If you can give it a like, check it out. Really appreciate it. Those of you guys that are subscribed, thank you so much. Appreciate you guys. Help me out a bit and share, like, and comment on this video. Those of you that aren't subscribed, please consider doing so. Go to the pawn shops, flea markets, thrift stores, garage sales. Pretty much anywhere I can go to pick up merchandise to resell, to flip, and to add to my collection. If that kind of content interests you, hit that like button and subscribe button and bell notifications on. So let's go ahead and get into today's video. Alright, let's walk up to the windows. I've been in a pretty bad slump, guys. Been not feeling well. I took a loss on that truck that I bought. I'm feeling I am. I haven't completely confirmed that. I got taken for 150 on Facebook, but luckily I got that back. And today some dude tried to scam me on Facebook again. So man, it's been pretty tough. Also with that pallet, losing that kind of money. So it's been tough. Let's try to get through it. So here's today's tags of the week. Be coming in and out because of the music. They always have music playing, which is pretty cool. I enjoy the music, but man, it looks super clean today. Really nice looking today. Minnie Mouse is nice. Alright, let's go. Walking towards the back. See if there's anything cool back here. Then we'll go to media and toys, or the other way around. Either way. Here's the back. Just grab this, and look it up, Fisher Price. Here's a glimpse of the toys plushie section. Not much new. Let's look through it. Here's the other little section. See if there's anything here. The other two plushies weren't worth it. I'm gonna check these two guys out, Trolls and the Build-A-Bear. Alright, so these two seem okay. Let's keep going. So they have a few superheroes. Batman, Hulk. A little too pricey for me. Thought this was cool, but it doesn't work. 99 cents. And I grabbed this little Cars car, metal, for 99 cents. Here at the electronics section. Don't know what that is. It's pretty cool. It's 60 bucks. Little sewing machine, some typewriters. I stopped buying electronics here. They're always messed up. Let's check out the media. See if there's anything new. I don't look like it. There's a couple here. FIFA Soccer for $13, and for $3. That's a movie. These were here last time. I'll check this one out. See if there's anything else. Everything else looks the same. Some more movies. Alright, I'm gonna check those two game discs to see if there's anything in there. If they are what they are. There's some DuckTales down here. Those might be worth something. Let me look through all this VHS, see if there's anything good. Alright guys, I'm back at home. So I picked up this Build-A-Bear Alligator. He was $2, oh $3. It sells for about $15. I just thought it was cool looking. I'm a sucker for weird looking plushies. I ended up picking up some more of these pumpkin centerpieces for Halloween. They were on sale for 74 cents. I got 3 of those. You guys saw the plushie also, if you were watching the video earlier. I ended up getting this, I think it's Lightning McQueen, but I'm not sure. I know it's from Cars. This thing's metal. It's a little beat up, but it's cool looking, 99 cents. I did find some stuff that's worth money. So I ended up picking up this felt stocking kit, 99 cents, sold comps was 30 bucks. I ended up getting two different ones. They're 99 cents. Don't pass up Christmas stuff, guys. You never know. I bought this because it's a soundtrack. This one was $2. Probably gonna keep it from Gran Turismo. Got this Barney Christmas star. That's about 10 bucks for 99 cents. Little Nemo, about 15.99 cents. And then I think these three were the most expensive. No, not this one. This one was about 10-15 bucks. Anime VHS, 99 cents. These were the two good pickups of the day. Godzilla 2000, about 20 bucks for 99 cents. And The Incredibles, this is, you had to be a part of the Disney Club, kind of like the Chicken Little that I have up for sale right now. Guys, Chicken Little VHS, it's a rare VHS. I think mine is the only one on eBay right now. Check out eBay, type in Chicken Little VHS. I have it up for auction if you guys are interested in bidding on it. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. Appreciate you guys watching. We'll catch you next time.